Hello, my dear subscribers. Long time no see. And today I'm coming to you with not a full unboxing, but rather my impressions of this, the latest Bidding School Academy box, its theme Lakeside Poetry. And honestly, I was blown away once again. Every time, somehow they managed to top the previous theme. And I didn't think it was possible because like pinks and purples from the previous theme, that's some of my favorite colors there. And this one, just the components, I was blown away by them. It was incredible. To give you some idea, we have here so many Preciosa crystals. There are these gorgeous 2.8 millimeter Suon crystals. That's what they're called. Look at them. I mean, so that's one. Then we have this Preciosa Rivoli. I mean, how stunning. Look at that. So that's two. So that's two Preciosa components. Then we're not done. Honestly, I don't think they've ever included this many crystals in a box. I wanted to wait till Erica was done with her unboxing before showing you all of this, so you see all the components together. And really, I kind of just want to show you my favorites. And my favorites are just all the crystals. I cannot believe the amount of crystals they included this time. Like I mentioned during the Erica's unboxing, I don't think they have ever. Let me see if I can, this light might help. Look at that. I mean, I don't know why in this light, they do not show up as blue zircon. Well, to give some idea, these are much more indica light color, kind of like teal than, because from what I'm seeing on the camera right now, they're more like dark aquamarine. I don't know. Honestly, I tried it with the natural light and okay, let's just stick with the natural light. Anyway, so they're stunning. We have these navettes, Aqua Bohemica navettes. Okay, yes, these are showing the color that they are. I mean, look at them, they're stunning. That's again Preciosa. That's fourth pack of Preciosa. Look at this, fifth pack of Preciosas. I mean, these components are really like the highest quality that you can have in beadwork. And my goodness, look at these in natural light. These are the chrysolite, fancy Baroque pear with gold colored claw. Wow, look at them. These, honestly, I think, in my opinion, these little Preciosa pairs, they have the biggest sparkle of any other Preciosa. I have no idea why. Maybe it's because of the cut, but they are just incredible. So that's 5. Now we have 5 bags of Preciosa. And now, on top of all that, we have 4 bags of bicones. I mean, 4 and 3 millimeter in black diamond. We have indica light matte in 4 millimeters and Peridot B2X in 3 millimeters. These are stunning. If you're a fan of like lime sort of color, you're gonna go crazy for these. I'm just, honestly, I'm still so excited about this box, even though I unboxed it myself a few days ago, and then I watched Erica's unboxing, and honestly, I was on the edge of my seat seeing what she's gonna show next. Even though I saw what was in it, I still couldn't wait to see what comes next. It's incredible. And then we have also these crystals. See, there's like never-ending crystals in this box. These are lemongrass cabochons, and these ones are actually, I won't take these out because you'll see there's two of them are missing. That's because I have prepared a design, and I'm in the process of writing up a tutorial for this pendant with an invisible bail. And this is another crystal component that came in the box. These are just stunning. This gorgeous. Let me see if I turn on my light for this, because the sparkle from this is just stunning. I mean, look at the sparkle. So there's two more of these lemon crystals, and then there are 6 of these, I think, aqua bohemica navets, I want to say. Let me see if I can. Pacific opal, sorry. Light Pacific opal with gold-colored claw. And they are stunning. Look at that sparkle altogether. I managed to include some of those lovely 3mm 2x AB crystals. And here we have our twinkling daffodils. That's like from the poem of William Wordsworth, where he talks about these, how does he talk? Dancing line of daffodils that twinkle as the stars in the Milky Way. I think it was something like that, he said. And oh my, don't they just twinkle? Look at that. In fact, I'm going to post a short to show you what these, to give you a better look in the sunshine. Because yesterday I made a short, and I took it in the sunshine, because now after a long freezing winter, we finally have gorgeous sunshine, and it's so warm. And the daffodils, they're all starting to come out everywhere. It's just gorgeous. So here we are. This is my pendant design, and once the tutorial is written, I'm going to send it to the Beading School Academy, as I usually do. And then, last but not least, I have, actually that's not last, I've got a couple more things to show you afterwards, but I want to show you, this is my second design. These earrings, which are so super simple to make. They take about 16 inches of 6-pound fire line each to make. There is only some delicas, but to show you, that's more crystals in there. Sorry, that went blurry. Here we have these turquoise, either glass or cubic zirconia. Not sure. I'm not sure where the baggie has gone now. Never mind. Okay, so it's a really gorgeous component, this turquoise. And then it's got these rondelles, this preciosa, again, preciosa, more. So that's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10 bags of preciosa that I've counted so far. And actually, okay, let me move on to this first. Quickly show you this, and then I need to tell you something else about the earrings. As you can see, I'm still way too excited about this, so my thinking's all over the place. Look at this. I mean, I love this Channel Maxima, these crystals. They're just so incredible. Love. Goodness, it is like, oh my. So another preciosa. Let me make sure. How many do I have here now? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we have the rondelles, 11. Yes, I think it's 11 bags of Preciosa. Honestly, this is a very special box. I don't think we've ever had 11 bags of Preciosa before. And that, I might even be missing something. Honestly, it's difficult to keep track of everything. I'm sorry for talking so fast. It's just like, oh, honestly, it's just look at these. These are not Preciosa, but this is another component with crystals. And they are just stunning. They're just stunning. These are, oh my. I'm not even saying anything about the color palette, which is absolutely incredible. But I am blown away by the amount of crystals in this box. Really, I cannot tell you enough about it. So right, now to the final part, and I'm going to very, very quickly explain to you how super, super easy it is to make these earrings. Now, the ear wires, they did not come from the set. The ear wires that did come from the set, I couldn't use with this, the thick ring on this toggle clasp, the O part of the toggle clasp. So, yeah, so I just used this plain ear wire from, I think, one of the past boxes. But look at this in the back. Look how easy, it's super easy. It's almost self-explanatory. So you thread a delica, rondelle, a delica, and then you go into a hole in one of the ends of crosses. You go around like this. You make a turn here. Let me see if I can zoom in and show you. So you go like this, you thread like this, and then you go up. You go around, you go around the frame setting, see, like this, and back through the same delica, rondelle delica, back into the little cross in the back. So then you go around to this arm of the cross now, and then you go delica, rondelle delica, around the frame and back into delica, rondelle delica. You come out of that hole at the end of this arm, you go around this corner, and then you pick up another delica, rondelle delica, around the frame again, back into delica, rondelle delica, and then back through the hole in this arm of the cross. Then you go around the corner and back up into the first delica, rondelle delica that we picked up. You make your first knot here, okay, just at the back of the frame there, where it can be hidden by the metal here between the ring and the setting, the frame, not the setting, and then, just in case, I went and I did that whole thread path once again. So I went from here to there, from there to there, from here to there, and once again to the beginning. And then I made a few more knots, and then I burnt off the ends, made like little balls, squashed the thread, and there we are. So simple, and they're so effective. And the sparkle that comes from them is, they actually look really, really like, I don't know if the word is like luxurious, or how else would I describe it? The thing is, these toggle clasps, yes. So this part, it came from this toggle clasp here, square toggle clasp. So you see I have the T-bars here left, and the O parts of the toggle clasp are here. So, and they were just, I don't know, it just clicked, this design, and I was like, could I? And everything, all these parts, they fit in there so beautifully. It's so simple, it's super fast. So here you go, a super quick tutorial for very sparkly and, if I may say so, very chic earrings, because the way they look on when you wear them, it's honestly, it's even prettier than in your hand. And here we are. Oh, okay. I'm honestly, I'm trying to contain my excitement here, but I know I sound like a hyper puppy with this new box. It's just, it's so much more than I could have expected, really. It really is. So here we are. So all these components, they came from the box, remember, except for the ear wires and that ribbon. But yes, they do have these ribbons in the store. They even have silk ones. I think the silk one would look even nicer here. So yes. Anyway, and that is my presentation of this box. And I better go drink some water because I don't think I've spoken this much in months. So thank you for watching, and I hope I inspired you. I hope some of you will beat some of these designs, and let's have so much fun in the next 2 months with this box. I mean, I cannot wait. I cannot wait to see what designs are coming myself, because I have no idea. And yes, just amazing box. So I'll leave some details in the description box as to how you can subscribe, and then you can look up all that information, decide which level you want. But this is by far the greatest like quality and value beading subscription that I've ever been a part of, really, truly. So I'll leave you to it. Have a wonderful week, and yes, till next time. Bye.